Welcome to another kids activity because learning through play is always the best way. This activity is great for number recognition, counting practice, and fine motor skills. What's good with this is that we don't need extravagant and new materials here. We just use recycled items. First, I took some craft sticks and drew different objects on them. You can also cut and paste pictures onto the sticks if you like. Then, I used a piece of hard cardboard as a base and glued empty tissue rolls onto it with a glue gun. On each tissue roll, I wrote a number. The kid's job is to count the drawings on each stick, then match and place the stick inside the tissue roll with the correct numbers.
One, two, three.
3. Where's number 3? There, number 3. 1. Where's number 1? Very good. Number 1. Can you count?
Is
that for baby?
5.
5 balls. That's the number 5.
You know?
Good job.
1,
2. Asan yung number 2?
Can do your painting activity.
How many of that?
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. What's number 5? Good job.